a windy day in Iloilo, and we're gonna check out this place right here to see if we can find some affordable cell phones. One, two, not too many. Just see what we can do with our budget here. Malls in the Philippines are funny because they pile everything together that's similar, and so like going upstairs right now to the cell phone area, it's absolutely inundating, man. It's like all the electronic stores are right here, which, you know, is kind of helpful, but at the same time, it's like you go from one store to another seeing just about the same thing for just about the same price. One after another up here, and they're all right next to each other. So if you're shopping and comparing, that's kind of convenient, but it's mind-boggling. Philippines has this thing where they've got, it's like iPhone versus Android on crack. There's Smart and there's Globe, which are two different cell phone carriers, and you get your SIM card through this. And like if you have a Smart card, then you can call other people who have Smart, but like if you're calling somebody who has Globe, it's like, good luck, you know, you're gonna have a hard time getting a hold of those people because it costs a lot more and all that stuff, and vice versa. So we need a cell phone that can carry both of those SIM cards in one. We'll see how far we can get. We're gonna start down here in Cherry Mobile and see what they have.
This morning, cause you didn't go to bed. You were watching the whites of your eyes turn red. The calendar on your wall is ticking. The days off, you've been reading some old letters. You smile and think how much you've changed. All the money in the world couldn't buy back those days. You fall back.
Ang Android phone, sir? Or basic? 530.
Ikaw, mas standard ka sa ako.
Hindi man mahilig ko pa ngayon?
Oh, grabe, si Buwana kagali. Okay, makasulit si Buwana. Maghuna-huna ko.
Taga-bukid nun ko.
Ano?
Taga-adto na ka, malay-balay bukid nun.
Sa bukid nun? Diri sa Panay o sa likod? Dini?
Kagayan, Joe.
Sa Cagayan? Oh, wala pa kong nakakito. Nagabisita ka lang sa Bo? Kaya mo ng crossing na nag-try na kayo. Okay, sige, salamat.
Interview ka gani, dapat nakamit up.
Oh, pero guwapa, gid. May pulos ang makeup kung guwapa, gid. No? Ayos, salamat. Oh, that's great. We love the Philippines. So we'll keep looking, we'll do the spin. I think we're just going to go back to Cherry Mobile. Man, I was really hoping to get a cell phone for like 300 pesos. I did get a cell phone for 300 pesos before, but it was in Dumangas in a little store. Maybe going to the mall is the wrong idea for getting a cheap cell phone.
This is the day your life will surely change. This is the day when things fall into place.
I've almost done the full spin of the upstairs here, which, you know, I guess that's pretty nice and simple. They're all right here. Makes shopping around very easy.
This is the day
really a salesperson thing. I thought it was the Philippines, but you ask somebody, hey, what's the cheapest? And they'll come and they'll take you to what's not the cheapest, and you walk right past something that's obviously cheaper, and you'll be like, well, what about that one? Oh yeah, there's that one. That was cheaper. So we decided to go with the Cherry Mobile phone. It's a small blue thing, and it's cheap. You know, it's 500 pesos. Hey, how many ang cellphone na to?
27i sa Cherry Mobile.
C27i. Okay. Blue na siya.
Blue, sir.
Sino nga mo gani?
Renal, sir.
Sino?
Renal, R-E-N-E-L.
Oh, okay, Mayo.
So the charger, charging, sir.
Charging machine. Okay. We got our 500 peso cell phone. Now we've got to, I'm so lost. I'm so turned around. I thought the Globe store was right here, but it's not. I don't know where it is now. Maybe it's downstairs. And heading back up again.
This is the day your life will surely change.
Okay lang ka mo? Ayos lang? Mayo. Okay. Oh, sa Philippines din eh, galing. Ay, natalang ako. Oh, grabe gid. Okay. Salamat. That was easy. So now we're heading into the Smart store, and we're gonna get a SIM card and load here in the Smart card. Oh, maayong auto. Ayos lang ka mo? Mayo gid. Bakit ko payong kon ang SIM card?
Ano na, yung pang-tawag?
Oo, yung SIM card na lang. All right, so we got our SIM card for Globe. We got our SIM card for Smart. Now, to whom we're going to be giving this cell phone, you know, it's anybody's guess at this point. I think the plan is just to go downtown and feel it out. You know, there's just a feeling that you get when you find someone who could really use something, and it's not just about like, you know, what they're wearing or how they're carrying themselves or anything. It's just you get this sense that like, hey, this is something that this person could really use. His name is Mark. He's got two, a brother and a sister, younger than him, 16. What's that?
Are they? Is he sending them to school?
Yes, he's the one who's paying for their schooling, and they're twins. And it's low ceiling, right? Welcome to an American in the Philippines. But anyway, we're gonna get some bananas here. What's up? Tagadiin ka?
Ganiway.
Aniway. Sa diinin na.
Dito sa may Badyangan, Haniway.
Badyangan?
Yeah. Badyangan, Haniway.
Badyangan. Pagkato sa Bingawan.
Hindi, maagi kita sa Bingawan, then, tapos sa...
Aniway, Kalinog, Bingawan.
Bingawan.
Di bala? Nan. Ayun na. Ang ginhambal mo, nga wala ka cellphone. Anong natabo sa cellphone mo?
So, ang cellphone ko is nadula last month pa eh. Ang pagkato naman sa may
Isa kabulan
Dueñas.
na. Isa kabulan na.
Sa kabulan na. So, nagkato kami sa Dueñas na gift-giving sa mga itad. So, nawikit sa ginasakyan naman ako ng cellphone niya, touchscreen. So, ano ba natin?
Gulay na. Ito
Gulay.
yung mahal ng klase, no?
Mahal na ng klase. So, dira ko nag-ano sa mga documents ko tani. So, why na? Kaya hindi na ako makakontak isa.
I didn't tell Mark that I had a cell phone in my bag. And, salamat gid, Nay. Mayong prutas mo. Tamo ko mo pa ho. I felt weird because like it just seemed like the universe was being way too kind to me in just dropping Mark on my lap like this. You know what I mean?
Too much of a coincidence for you?
Yeah, it felt weird. It's like, and so we were talking. We're talking, and finally, it's like, you know, hey, and I felt it out, and it seemed like, yeah, this is somebody who could
Use the
use the phone. because I mean a month has gone by and he hasn't replaced his lost phone. It's obviously something that he was having a hard time budgeting out. You know, all of his money goes towards helping his family. So we gave him the phone.
Wow.
My cell phone, Dre. Okay, ano yung phone number? Wala ko nakahibalo. Sang ginbakal ko ini, wala ko nakahibalo kung ano ang mas mabinyong likod sa tao kung smart itong Globe. Kaya duwa ka bilog ang SIM card dahil may smart dahil may Globe. Kaya kalaban ang bas mayo kung naman na siya kung may duwa ka bilog na SIM card kaya kung kisa mayroong tao na Globe na lang siya. Smart na lang siya. Dason mayroong
Actually, ako, yung mga contact ko merong Globe, merong Smart kasi pag may mga contacts ko sa kasi minsan yung Smart hindi natin magamit pag Globe yung minsan
budlay na.
budlay.
Dason mayroon pang 100 peso load sa TNT kag sa Globe.
Thank you so much, sir.
Lang?
Thank you so much.
Okay.
You have a big pride.
Sila ang mga tao nga nag-attack. Ako lang nagdala ng regalo nila para sa ila kay hindi wala sila nakakatudri sa Pilipinas. Kay mahal kaayo ang tanan sa Amerika. Inang kwarta sa Amerika daw gamay lang ang pwede makuha. Pero kung ipadala nila
Sa
dire,
Pilipinas, dako ang mabakal.
dako ang pwede mabulig. So, inang gamay lang ang kwarta. Dito, kung makasupot ang tao, pwede siya magpadala dire kag dako inang pagbulig. So, inang cellphone, gamay lang siya nga klase, 500 pesos ang cellphone. Dason ang duha ka SIM card, 40. Dason ang duha ka load, 100. So sa tanan, 780 pesos na. Sa dollars, mga $15?
Yeah, I think.
Is that right? Yeah, mga $15.
$15. Thank you kay si Robert Swan, Ivana, and Ma'am Pio. Thank you sa cellphone yung bago.
Mark, we love you, and glad you're on phone now. I take it to heart this concept of thinking of others like I think of myself. If I get something, then we get something. You know what I mean? And if I get 100 and I give you 75 and keep 25 for myself, then I'm not thinking of you like I'm thinking of myself. But if I give you 50 and I keep 50, now I'm thinking of you like I think of myself. Oh, mayang gabi. Ayos ka lang? Nakatingala ka mo? Sino ang ngalan mo? Ha? Si Huya?
Leah?
Leah? Oh, tayo mayang gabi, Leah. Okay ka lang? Okay lang siya. Anyway, so, and that's what, I hope 50-50 inspires in others.
Yes.
So, that's the concept of what some might call the golden rule, right? Makes a better world. Ara ka! Ayos ka lang? Oh, araman ka mo? Palagyo na. Sige, una na kami. Bye-bye!
Bye!
Patreon.com/50_50. Become a donor, become a patron, help out. We could really use it, and a little bit goes a long way, and we love you. Okay, bye.